From megalithic stones and ancient rock paintings to dinosaur bones and ruins of lost ancient cities, maybe even the great Atlantis, today we unravel what old ancient Sahara still whispers to us in soft desert winds and rolling sand dunes. Welcome to the largest hot desert in the world. A vast yellow kiln of burning sand and heat tied irrevocably to the very origins of human history. The modern Sahara cuts across 10 countries in North Africa, making it about the same size as China. Eclipsed in its vast emptiness only by the polar ice deserts in the poles, what lies beneath this vast expanse of sand, rock, dust, gravel, and maybe more? It's hard to imagine Sahara wasn't always this dry, arid landscape we see today, but a vast green savanna fertilized by a giant mega lake that formed around 250,000 years ago due to a flooded Nile in Western Sahara. But how big was this ancient mega body of water? Thanks to a series of radar images produced in 2011, we can now map the relative size and location of this ancient lake. Located in what is now Sudan, scientists believe that thousands of years ago, one of two main tributaries of the Great Nile flowing through Egypt flooded. As the river pushed through a low channel near Wadi Tushka, it took over the eastern parts of Sahara like no other monsoon ever had. Sprawling over 42,000 square miles, the lake was probably about the same size as the largest freshwater lakes on Earth today, like the famous Lake Michigan in the US. Even today, scientists are not sure why Sahara, a green woodland turned into sand dune and barren rock, but it seems our best guess is around 5,000 years ago, the climate of Sahara underwent a massive change, going from wet to dry as the monsoon winds drifted over the course of just a few hundred years, a result of the Earth wobbling on its axis after every 21,000 years. Today, the Sahara is home to Bedouins, a desert-dwelling people, nomads traveling through a Martian wasteland that most of us have only caught a glimpse of in Star Wars, carrying on camels whatever they can to survive in what is probably one of the most inhospitable environments in the world.
كيف نقولوا عام الأول درجة جفاف.
In the day, temperatures soar above 50 degrees, but at night it is freezing cold, and the wind that was just now so blazing hot suddenly turns to ice. The secret of Saharas are still hidden miles away, deep in the sand, but with each new dig, we shed a little light on another page of its fascinating history. Crazy fact, did you know the dust from the Sahara keeps Amazon lush and green? You see, they may be thousands of miles apart and on totally different continents and separated by an entire freaking ocean, but even through those odds, millions of tons of dust with rich nutrients is able to fly across the Atlantic every year, enriching the soils of South America.
Obscured by thick brown dust. And as I orbited, I couldn't wait to come back. And when I did, I saw that dust storm that was over Africa, now over the Atlantic Ocean.
Loaded with phosphorus, the dust replaces what rainwater has washed away every year in the Amazon jungle. To learn more about fascinating cultural treasures, incredible nature havens, and intriguing historical finds from all over the world, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss out on more fun and exciting travels with us. See you next time.